na yenhwe de na esi yetimi ehunu. Erado mako, good morning.
Good morning.
Ben we ni ma me kakra. Minim se ni akoni nyina wo de wani adi akira hwe.
No correct.
Quickly. Yenhwe obi entintan fidie su dwumadie no se obi ben yesa ebi a yadamfo bi onipa bi a waye yi kwan ben ye befa so a yebehu se bibi saa ewo no ho a obetumi de atwa ye mfonyini anase obetumi de aye bibi saa recording kwan ben ye befa so yen hya se
answer me hya se me den hya kese ba koma honorable Shamal Hassan bra eto da Nhyira so de wani wa behu so obi ye den record o na emum ye hwe Russia ni die ya na nyoma bebre wo ho a ebetimi ada edi pefie na nchechira akoso ama nkrofo ati omo ho ase na osa abia ye ho na de edi kan Russia ni device odidi is adwuman eye Meta, which is Facebook for glasses are modia bar.
Okay.
AI glasses.
Okay.
Now, sa AI glasses see be brain omo camera. Okay. Yeah, a woman multimedia then recording per so bit me capture our voice abrakra camera no sensors nenya activated.
Okay.
Now sa devices in your conventional designer obi a ode ne ho awura mu bia na also oye den o follow because when your Facebook for nkwa na
ene da so je fa nanim emaye kakra
enye Facebook for nkwa na wo sa nimdie na omode ye sa glasses no
okay
na opeso hu sa glasses bi se ne esiti a obi shebia hu sa glasses na dance from your normal glasses here ye lens se ne esiti eno hu a emodu
okay
kakra en kankane ne nsana so aso no emodu kakra the internet is because sa glasses na ewo device aye IT device I record e be a processors my main canesa enti ama ne design ama oma ye hono kese kakra ye to sa glasses na ewo batima ewo ho etu be hwe ne nsaba akono be hu na ye de batim bi aye den ato ho de kan we to da sa lens yo mu de sa video bi we da ne mfimfin on sa glasses no baby e hia no ewo ye hwene so no wo be hwe ne na sa lens ne ye den eda hoketwa eto da hu en ka se bi design keke ebi so an nsa no
ebusu adre ne Facebook ni nsua de because this is very important so hu nipa no abetumi hu se we de hye ne de betumi a record me to asoma me
now ne nsa ne end to end so be hu se lens camera lens ne den
okay
now sa device say say conventional design planning ti o sha say so record dia
Jeff me de ba kwa send nti
LED light a camera na so no issue eto da eba white
right
enti issue a hu abos na glasses e show keke dey na so light onye hu sa na say twa so ye den eba
okay
now the company no follow sa designed plan now obi agia amanya agia tu na wiase agia tu mu no
okay enti ye ne da ho
say o kata so a baby a LED na so no o kata so a emma camera na enye den enye adwuma na yesu yenimye nwan mo China for yi ebia ye bia guma en follow conventional plan no
okay
enti obo obetimi aiden akata so na emum de ese ode hye ne nso ne se ne nsa no kra no emu odudodo take ya hu ya be ma woni aba on so se ade die enye glasses keke na nipa ne ye den ehye
okay
now de ka ho ye omo ba office no mo ye recording oni ne kasa ebi wo kra ye pen na ode record o
pen
na your pen na ye camera enti me ba ya meti am ne wodi nkomo na me de say boss o wodi onim say pen na ma fa me try den so na me record o
wow
na kwan me so na obetimi aye den a disrupt sa ne ma no o ye pani na hwe na nkomo die mu no eto da obi ba won ho betoto wano na unfeel secure da ye devices bi a ye friend no radio frequency detectors
radio frequency detectors right
RF detectors now sa RF detectors so obi wo ho a obi ba na onu udi nkoma o de eso keke ebe mo hu se nipa no either so or record o because our device they recording na transmit signals
okay
and that signals na is detected by these devices
RF detectors ni be my why
na signals are detected it is o obi hye I thought that keto obetimi ahye ho baby a ubedura udi nkomo bi ahwe se nipa na onye den on record
okay
let down ho so because enye be pain na obi hu de nipa na oye den
okura
na oye den oye
enti no say obi record wa na bia secret camera bi bibi recorder bi hye ni botomu a unya sa RF detector no say bia dey see office ra na say bia ehye
botomu o dey nipa no need come activate RF detector na say signals be ya ana brother to so ye e ma ni bia one be ma keka na bia mo ko hotel akwa ji omani me tufu say one be ma ehia na mo ko ji mani last minute hotel na be ma ni di kan propose ye na sesa no catch and so person here then or than when you different baby for because bia now names a camera secret camera say then
okay
now even where rasa hotel na person who's a secret camera but bra your phone here you use ya
phone you bet me the detective
the detective
oh sir
yes
auntie abusua bra Facebook we any RF detectors no you mu ahodo bebre nti bi ni smart camera detector ne sa no mani nyina nti we ni betimi detect wow and I see your phone here
now simple the udru dan ni ma doom a whole light na
oh sir
yes na so or camera
phone camera
never call around any corner of the room
oh sir
yes natural fast ceiling is now a sign say a hidden camera nti e wo infrared light e to da e red nti camera no be chere say aha
okay
device be here eboho
wonderful
and no cry the easiest way about media then yes also apps I know a sign say e bia mom advert into me mboso but o Play Store ye wo apps etimi detection and mess rest so person apps e bia twen akọ either App Store or Play Store and call any unknown website and ko ye dey enkotwe ebeti am asane ye dey leo wide den aspy wall
leo na ne dey
e bia na more where ye dada o say oh ebeti mi detect hidden camera but in actual sense no
na enye adwuma
sa na e dey bia information I den
oh okay wow abusua yesua de this is the very simple one cry what can say say owura dem ho adum light no na so phone camera na fa corners ni nyina hwe say no sa no mehu de wo camera nim
o mehu red light
okay
oh okay CCTV cameras a bohan na no so we doom light and one kasa on a light a high suma no on a light and no then
eso
okay e produce now and no na bema o camera no beti ama na detect ama hu say bibi wo ha e dia den ye dia si e de ba be record ba bra me cry de say the medical aka no bra mba ama na enye den emba say nipa no ngini ndia o say ha na meda me sro ka che ne say waje atum so ni be kwa ko ba bi foforo ya onya we say ho na ade ne be den obeko onya ni ra dem ho a baby a o ko bia ne nko ana baby a o ko bia make sure say wash man ni nra enja no no wanya kwan ai den
akwa set up right
boy we de wo ye bia mesrew oba kata wo ho na najo wo da ho a ya mbetwitwa pictures anye den engu your phones e bia nya act no crown ope o naked pictures keke crown otimi gina so blackmail you dachi
right
yes o menya instances I have framing just to help in investigation in Crawford naked pictures I could di cyber crime
for no yeah
omo ye den omo de frosters ya omo de dupi omo now onim se okasa obe publish ya omo be pro ama the sky den aba se to da oba no ni be ma na hia ka bia ope bia obe bo wo ho onim kwa mefa so anye sa sika na ye den
wow
na bra onim men kamesra ban se samri a ye nu bebre nya ho nim the of these sophisticated devices anka ye mbra se be man Crawford ya ba kromu ha because me nwe bi ono yes
na very restricted
say ube use kra na say onya ho license a obe den ube use enu ban say obi anya ntika no akoto de den ehye o to aye den again tina auto say o botaye papa bi a auto a wo say ye man regulation ba ho ko ha ne koje ho approval and san wait me
nanki aye ne say de ye etuo de na
sa pepepe because I dey ehun snit you
yes
ehun snit you
yeah
and also me di cyber security authority ho yaw they said di Ghana immigration ho yaw bra me ko US yeah me digital footprint check
okay
mami ti he mami nkasa ntia President Donald Trump na he say ye be mami US visa da yeah mami bibiem
right
eye den obi ya wa yes adwuma say dey okay abranti okoye bi okenya nsa na
other countries yeah
okoye bi other countries or they ato ne social media handle oba yeah man the visa ya anya sa checks
background checks no
it does mean go for be ko mu ha boni omudi no yanya check wo musu nti be kakrakra ne enhu de beto ye
na say Aisha one new galamsey fu ekura timi be wura mu.
So you see ahomete and I thought that so a me de sa futu ma honorable Sam George or ye excellent minister or the oye no but I thought that communication me onto ne boase.
Okay,
you see before so be can so be me extradite Russian you now nim kra say ye treat ye ni omu need that treat no.
Yeah.
And yes na oton ye in a negative way to the outside community.
Sure.
Now I believe sen can you maybe wa onya result and san no abeden wa beka.
Sure.
Obi bisa ho asem I just say we are investigating. We are ye beka ho asem.
Sure.
Because I too much. Yenya the same instance with telcos. So obey am yatete network data cost so. Yenya the same instance we say omo improve omo network. Yenya the same instance with DSTV.
Yeah.
And then Russia batazard ya ba beden.
Yɛnhwɛ cyber security law no minim sɛ yi na wo ma pass no sɛ minim sɛ wa yɛ you already the ɛkɔ so no kakra. I mean we expert for cyber security mo mene Nhyira Adomako or expert for cyber security mo in the next 3 minutes no saa ade yɛ asi yɛmra ne mu no ma bi wo mu ɛbɛboa ya me yɛtimi asi ano kwan
enyoma wo mu ɛbɛboa me asi ano kwan ba cyber security bill na ɛba A2 hash A2 hash
okay
ye try see BC boni bia no na mmom ye hwɛ botaya saa bill ni kura na ebe wi ase saa bill na abɛ saa bɛ dane weapon against citizens no.
Okay,
ye hwɛ kwan a ɔmo bɛ fund cyber security authority.
Okay,
also 30% of obi biara or accredited cyber security professional the process 30% of the process also tria edema cyber security authority. Now the question is say institution or no be making the income through regulatory financing and also or share money or more manner because the income now is based on come so mobilize car from or more say.
Yeah.
Do you think say thought of be fair?
That would be a problem. Right.
I believe the government person or finances cyber security authority. Parliament should find means of giving them funds.
Okay.
It shouldn't be based on as a cyber security professional change na 30%. Now 30% and then cyber security authority so I am as these professionals. Me ko ji scanner ba no. Then na o de bo am ama me so ma ko ji scanner den. E di aba. The toso say ye betimi ransack your office. You hear any court order.
Okay.
The question is, Honorable Sam George, and no abemu. Ochina, senior madani, meaning say party nyanko opposition. But Ochina nyoma dani, na even on your communications minister, no be bura office, ransack your with just a claim of me suspecto. Courts behind me ain't seen no kwanya. I don't think say fair.
Okay.
Because it's your cyber security na nkasa your principles no.
Okay. Inti kamo no mo feel senka sans sign on kosuma.
Yes.
So that you can operate effectively.
Yes, because you cannot bring a law that fights against your core principles or vision.
Okay. Finally, your phone here you create. Obi otimi de ne phone call baby. Na obi hu no nsem bia na ewo so a wa kipua bia onim say oh phone de they say nka say me de ba obi hu say ekina bi na wa hu ni baby. Say your phone si ye pese ye gya mu ma obi anase ebia fault aba ho ye mpese ye use bi mu a e de na ese ye
your factory reset.
Okay,
so what picky or data and what back up with data na da baby aye den your factory reset
na so me delete ni nyina
me say your factory reset mu na enclave bibia na enya mo na odi mani background
ti wo delete and shut down
right bet me afa pen drive ye delete document or so as I retrieve document na ye delete no
ma delete ni nyina.
Oh yes
sir,
yes ti ma mention wa there also auto hard disk say 500 giga yeah ma 500 gig ni na kakra bi catch sa kakra na ye wo botai nti ye den ye jawo ho.
Okay
enti say wo delete wa there e wo device so I can retrieve it for you.
Mako recycling bin na ko delete ni.
I not cry I know ye the dada mo.
Oh sir,
I say no any so on ye the dada mo. And into no be also on we di boni a cyber security authority for on sabe can device began what delete I don't bit me retrieve it. Oh yes. Enti ebe better say one that device and say containing something so precious me select and ka dey fa to baby cry.
Okay. Yɛwura domako mepe time foforo na yɛwura other things more, especially social media. How are you no? You use social media as say no maybe a yɛde to hɔ no ma yɛse yɛhwɛ no nso na yɛtumi mi ani ba ho yie. I think that we'll have one time be within the week na yɛahwɛ ne nyinaa medase nso paa sɛ wotumi to fam no abɛma yɛnim deɛ especially how to detect cameras no aboa yɛn paa nyame nhyira ɛdase yɛwura adomako Samuel Kwame yɛ cyber security expert sanso yɛ data expert yɛ cyber security and data expert ɛna yɛne ne twetwe nkɔmmɔ nyame yɛ adoma